Welcome back to Scrively. In this tutorial, we'll learn more about formatting your book pages. To move your text box, simply hover over it and drag it to your desired location. On each side of the text box, you'll see the handles that allow you to expand or collapse the text field. When you're ready to format your text, highlight the text you'd like to edit and start by selecting your preferred font. You can increase or decrease the text size manually or use the plus and minus options. Want to make your text stand out? Use the formatting options to bold, italicize, or underline your text. To change the text color, select one of the pre-configured color options or enter your own custom color code. Be sure to click Apply to save your changes. You can also add a highlight color by selecting the highlight option. Choose from the available colors or enter a custom color code, then click Apply. You can also add strikethrough formatting when needed. For advanced text formatting, use superscript for raised text or subscript for lowered text. Need to start over? Click on Clear Formatting. You can adjust your horizontal alignment by choosing left, center, or right alignment. You can also select your vertical alignment from top, middle, or bottom. To change the text background color, use the slider to adjust the intensity or choose from one of the pre-configured options. You'll also find additional advanced text settings. You can manually enter letter spacing values or use the slider to adjust the spacing between characters. Similarly, you can adjust line spacing using the slider or by entering your preferred value manually. You can also anchor your text box to keep it positioned where you want on the page. Made a change you want to undo? Click Undo. Want to bring the change back? Click Redo. Join us in our next tutorial where we'll show you how to make small edits to your images in the editor.